everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. We always go to McDonald's or fast food to get a hamburger, but today I'm going to share with you oilless, oil-free beef hamburger, how it's quick and easy to make it beef patties at home. That I'm going to share with you. Without wasting time, let's get started. I have a ground beef patties. These are frozen. This one has the 2 bags, and I'm going to show you in the air fryer. So once you're going to start making, you're going to fall in love with it, and you're going to say, wow, this is so easy, and you're going to make it at home. These are beef patties, and I'm going to show you in air fryer how we make it. What other ingredients we need? You can use any type of cheese. I'm using American cheese. I'm using these buns, whole grain wheat bread, and along with lettuce, mayo, ketchup, relish, mustard, or make it hot and spicy, sriracha, chili, and then onion. Now I'm going to show you how you can make it oilless, oil-free burger patties in your air fryer. I'm going to pull out the air fryer basket and place burger patties just like this. You don't need to add any oil. This is going to be really healthy and super tasty. So we'll place it in the air fryer. I'll plug it in. We'll start. The air fryer has a preset mode. This is the fries, chopped shrimp. That's a cake. Chicken drumstick. This is the preset temperature. We'll start it. After 10 minutes, I'm going to come back and we're going to flip them over. It's exactly 10 minutes of cooking. I'm going to open it. Wow, look at this. And I'm going to flip these over. So as you see, they are really nicely done. 5 more minutes of cooking on the other side. As you've seen, we turn it over and we're going to place it back again. And now we need only 5 more minutes. It will start automatically where it left off. So it's going to be 10 more minutes, but we're going to, after 5 minutes, we're going to take it out. So within 15 minutes, they're going to be all ready. 1 more minute to go before I take it out. It's exactly 15 minutes, as you see. Started with the 20 minutes, so 15 minutes, this is all ready. And I'm going to open it, and this is it. Look at this. Nice, sizzling burger patties. One thing I wanted to share with you why I love cooking in air fryer. You've seen those hamburger patties we always make with oil, but this is oilless, oil-free. I didn't add anything. And if we take a look, and that is all oil. You can see it. That much oil came out because of the air fryer. Now our burger patties are more healthy. So let's start making our delicious sandwich. First thing we're going to do on each patty, they are still hot. I'm going to place the cheese on each one of them. After putting the cheese, now we're going to start with the bread. We're going to add ketchup. I like sriracha on my burgers. So now we're going to add mayo. And now on the second bread, we're going to add mustard and relish. Spread it evenly. And we're going to get fresh lettuce. So we're going to place the lettuce, the burger patty, the onion, and put it in a plate. It's ready. And the same thing, we're going to do it on this bread. And this is a nice burger. Serve with some chips. As you've seen it, this is very healthy, oil-free, oilless, and it's made in air fryer. Beef hamburger. Please try it and you're going to like it. Once you start eating and you'll find out this is very healthy to make it at home, you're never going to go back to the fast food and buy it again. I hope you like it. If you like this one, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.